Today we will be installing the Zirkona suction cup mount kit featuring the Gamber Samsung XCover 5 charging cradle. This mounting kit provides a reliable, drilless, and easy-to-install solution to hold and fast charge your Samsung XCover 5 phone. Before we begin the install, let's prep the solution. Start by checking the Zirkona 2-down medium joiner handle to ensure the joiner is tightened. Once confirmed, build the mount by threading the joiner into the suction cup. This joiner is rated for up to 6 pounds or 2.7 kilograms, a perfect mounting solution for a variety of lightweight devices. Next, take your device cradle or dock and attach it to the amp's plate using the provided hardware. In this case, we will be attaching the Samsung XCover 5 charging cradle. Lastly, thread on the round amp's plate to the joiner. Installing the Zirkona suction cup mount kit is easy, with no drilling required and no need to remove OEM hardware. This mount features strong suction and excellent hold strength, ensuring it will stay safely in place while holding your device at an optimal viewing angle. To install, thoroughly clean the desired area before attaching the suction cup. Check that the lever is unlatched on the suction cup and that the joiner handle is loosened. Place the suction cup in the desired area and clamp the lever firmly down until parallel to the mounting surface. Be sure to allow for clearance of the lever when latching and unlatching, as well as making sure it is out of your viewing area. Finally, before driving, make sure you are aware of any local laws or regulations regarding windshield or windscreen mounting. Once installation is complete and your mount is secure, position the charging cradle to your desired viewing angle. Then, tighten the joiner handle. The Samsung XCover 5 charging cradle is designed with a thin profile and features pogo pins for simple fast charging capabilities, in addition to a 12-volt plug for quick connection. The cradle is simple to operate, easily being docked and undocked single-handedly. To learn more about the products shown here, or to find a dealer in your area, visit www.gamberjohnson.com.